This eye drawing by my student is a great start. Let's make it for more 3D and alive. What's already working? I really like the shape of the eye, and I especially like how the eyelids partially overlap the iris. This is one of the golden rules of composition: avoid tangents by creating overlap. The slight tilt of the eye is also captured really well. And the student even started building textures inside the iris. What can we improve? To make the eye look more realistic, I'll start by making the overall shape a little more angular. Even though I'm working digitally, I'm preserving the highlight from the very beginning, just like you would with pencil and a paper. It's always easier to keep that area clean than to try to erase it later. In the reference, the upper eyelid slightly hangs over the eye, so I'll lower the eye crease a little. The blue line shows the shape of the eyeball and how the eyelid wraps around it. Now let's add more volume and contrast. Next, I will sketch in the eyebrow and add a soft shadow underneath it. Thick eyebrows often cast a subtle shadow. To add depth, I am pushing the darker values and preserving the light areas. As for the iris, since the light is coming from above, the upper part stays in shadow, while the lower part gets a soft gradient. Now I am giving the eyeball more volume by stretching the gradient from the edges. Then I refine the light and shadow using my reference as a guide. For the eyebrows, I draw the strokes in the direction of hair growth, more vertical near the bridge of the nose and more diagonal toward the outer edge. And finally, pay attention to the eyelashes. They grow in small clusters and fan out from the center. For a more realistic look, I'm also adding the reflection of the eyelashes directly inside the highlight. I'll definitely need to make a separate video about drawing eyelashes. And that's it! By adjusting the shape, shadows and contrast, we helped the original drawing feel more dimensional. If this critique was helpful, let me know in the comments. In the next video, I'll break down common mistakes artists make when drawing both eyes in 3/4 view. See you there!